I just got back from a tramp this weekend and look what's arrived. It's my new Durston X-Mid 2 Solid. I'm so excited, I've been waiting all week for this tent to show up. It's my first trekking pole tent, and I've only seen a few trekking pole tents around, but I've watched so many videos, you know, I've done so much research about this tent, and I'm so excited to set it up and take it on some trips. So I'm gonna try and pitch it for the first time right now. I guess first, let's open the bag and see what's in here. So there's the stuff sack, obviously. Then we've got that 8 V-hook pegs. And here is the outer layer of the tent. And here is the inner layer. So, I do have to figure out how to pitch it with it separated, which I only have to once. This material feels really light and thin. So, let's go over there and try and pitch it.
Making you sleep in the tent tonight, aren't they?
New tent, gotta try it out.
Oh my lord, you're not.
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna watch them.
You're putting it up, you're not sleeping in it.
I'm gonna sleep in it.
It's a bit cold.
It's a warm tent, that'll be fine.
Excellent.
Far out. We'll chip you off the grass in the morning.
Yeah. Now I think that looks like it's fairly rectangular, so I'm going to try and put the holes in, I think. Not sure if that's quite right. Now that is a huge tent. Look at that. Hopefully I can find enough space to pitch it, which is what I've heard online. So I've staked that out there. Got the vents with the venting stuff there. Okay, we've got to check out this. So it's got the magnetic clip here. That's pretty fancy. And here's the inside. Look at all the space. It's got lines up here that I can attach things to. Got the pockets and all of that space there as well on the inside. And then there too. Sweet. Now I think I should probably sleep in here tonight to test it out. I'm gonna check how I pitched it and double check it's good. And then I'll get back. Okay, so I've rewatched the pitching video, and I think what I'm gonna do is take it down, re-stake out the base, put the poles back up again, and see how it goes. And I'm gonna do that on a time lapse, so see you again once it's done. So there we go. This is the setup Durston X-Mid 2 Solid. This is my second time taking it. I did it once, then I did it twice. I think these are a bit soft, these sides. Maybe I can tighten it down here. I'm not sure. Maybe it needs to be taller. Can you put up? Those sides feel pretty good though. Staked out the doors again. This is what I'm not quite sure about, like, do I move this out to give it more space, or do I leave it there? I think I need to, like, pull this down more in the corner. And you can't pull that down, you can pull this down though. It's getting a bit dark out, but should I move it out further? But then it doesn't seem like it's going to be straight. If you know, let me know, but it feels like it should be running on more of an angle out like that. But then the pole's on an angle, which does not seem right. What about the floor? Should the floor have this kind of creaking stuff in it, or should I... Is that a setup thing? Let me know if you got any tips. I think it's looking like a nice tent so far. Really spacious, especially when it's just me in here. Yeah, that's my first sitting up of the Durston X-Mid 2. Solid. Look at that. That is a good looking tent.